Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install WordPress on your localhost using XAMPP. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up a local WordPress development environment using XAMPP. The first step is to download XAMPP. Open your browser and search for XAMPP. Click on the official Apache Friends website. Navigate to the download section and choose the version compatible with your operating system. After installing XAMPP, open the control panel. Start both the Apache and MySQL service by clicking the Start button. With Apache and MySQL running, let's create a database for our WordPress installation. Open our web browser and type localhost/phpMyadmin or 127.0.0.1/phpMyadmin. This will take you to the PhpMyadmin interface. Now click on Database and enter a name for your database. OK, and click Create. Now let's download the latest version of WordPress. Just go to the wordpress.org and click on the Get WordPress button. Save the zip file on your computer. Once the download is complete, move the zip file to the htdocs folder. And create a new folder. This is where your local website are hosted. Extract the content of the zip file. Now go to our final part. Open our browser and type localhost or 127.0.0.1 or click this folder. This will start the WordPress installation process. Select your language and click Continue. On the next screen, enter the database detail. Database name, and also you can create a username. Just write root and leave the password field blank. For the database host, enter localhost. Now click Submit and then run the installation. Now enter your website name. Choose a username and password for your admin account and provide your email address. Now click Install WordPress. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress on your local host using XAMPP. You can now log in into your WordPress dashboard and start building a customization your website. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel for more web development tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy WordPress development and see you in the next video.